I'm unboxing the eye protection LED desk lamp with swing arm. I was looking for better lighting for my Zoom calls and my videos, and I think I have found it. The directions seem simple, and the lamp itself is very sturdy. It's very strong, nothing flimsy at all about this. Very sturdy. And I was able to put this up in less than a minute. It clamps onto any desk, and it has a power on and off switch and brighteners and dimmers and different color lights. And it's got a light on the side and a light on the top, and you can rotate this so you get the light exactly where you need it to be. And zoom out a little bit so that you can see what it looks like. The clamp is sturdy and easy to use.